Hello and welcome to class of AWS. So today in this class we are going to discuss about DNS management. So if we have already a domain name, for example telcoma.in, so root 53 can tell domain name system we are on the internet to find servers, mail servers, and we can manage our DNS. So here we have to log into the AWS management console and then to root 53. Now here in the DNS management, so first of all, we have Amazon Route 53. Here we have to create a hosted zone. Creation of a hosted zone we have discussed in our last class. So if you want to create a hosted zone, suppose this, we have to create a hosted zone. We have to specify our domain name and then we have to create. We can perform health check on our domain name. Like suppose we have to check availability and performance monitoring. Also, we have to monitor out DNS failure. So we can have health check. So how? We have to create a health check. So in this, we have to configure. Suppose Route 53 health check, it will track the health status of our resources, web servers or mail servers. Suppose we have a name, the name in the example name. Suppose I'm just specifying name. It's endpoint, status of health check. Whenever we have to monitor an endpoint, we have the IP address, protocol, host name, port number, and advanced configuration. Then we have to click on next. So after click on next, whatever the host or the endpoint we have to monitor, we require to specify the IP address of which we need to monitor out. So this is how we can perform health check and we can check the DNS failure as per the IP address. Next in the traffic flow, we have traffic policies. Like we have discussed in our last class how to create this traffic policy. In this we can have visual editor, we can have various versions as well as policy records. In the domain, registered domains, suppose we don't have any, we have to register any domain. So we have to choose a domain name with some specific pricing address because domain name that we have to purchase is with some price. So we have to choose our domain name.com. Anything we have to check the availability of the domain name, whether it is present or not, and we can purchase the domain name as per our requirement. These are the pending requests. Suppose we have requested for a domain and we have to get back. So we have the pending domain. So this is how in Route 53 what we can do. We can register domain, we can availability monitor, we can traffic management, and we can have DNS management also. So this is about Amazon Route 53 that we have discussed. Thank you so much.